We're going to look at how to make the uppercase and lowercase letter E. For the uppercase E, you're going to draw it or write it like you would do for the uppercase letter C. So here, watch what I do. I'm going to start it kind of between the middle and the top. Come up and touch the top line. Come down to the middle line like a letter C, then loop back out like I'm making another letter C stacked underneath the first one. Swoop down to the bottom and up. A little bit faster. Looking at the lowercase letter E, you're going to start at the bottom of this, and we're only going to come up to the middle line before doing a loop and coming back down. So I'm going to start over here, come up and touch the middle line, do a loop to the left, swoop down and touch the bottom line, and then come back up. A little bit faster, and it looks like this. Have fun.